Keep up the pace and work off breakfast in the gym, or test your strength with yoga. Don't miss our cooking demonstrations, where you might even spot celebrity chef Luke Mangan, or completely check out and spend your day
Did you get
soaking
the
up the
welcome
sun.
drink thing?
Then hit the steam rooms or the spa for one of our signature therapies. Let the kids have their own fun at our 4H Pacific Kids Clubs. They're included in your shop.
Can I pour one for you now?
The day is far from over. Let us entertain you with our stage shows. From custom productions to comedians and guest performers, there is a huge range of shows on every cruise. Visit a post-apocalyptic world in our show Twice Upon a Time. Go behind the scenes of a travelling sideshow filled with quirky characters and stunning costumes. Or rock out to an intimate live show in the Blue Room. Dance under the stars at our P&Os Light Party on every cruise. Groove away at our Gatsby Party on cruises 3 nights or longer. And get an A+ at our Back to School Party on cruises 5 nights or longer. The longer you cruise, the more you get to party. If parties aren't your style,
actually have particular colour codes that go with them. So we basically then sat down and with those colour codes then worked out the themes of each particular sim that we were going to produce.